Meaning of grandstand finish.
Grandstand finish.
Grandstand finish.
Grandstand finish.
Grandstand finish. Grandstand finish is a phrase commonly used in sports to describe a dramatic and exciting conclusion to a game or race. It refers to the thrilling action that takes place towards the very end of a competition, often when the outcome is still uncertain and either team or player has the chance to win. It can involve a sudden surge of energy, an unexpected twist, or a heroic effort that elevates the performance to another level. In short, a grandstand finish is when the conclusion of a sporting event is marked by a high level of intensity and excitement, leaving fans on the edge of their seats.